Hello everybody, what's up? Welcome to this video. I'm gonna show you how to create a page on your Facebook. So pay attention in this video till the end. So the first step is to open your Facebook like this. Next, you have to go and open this three line. Come and click see more. Click right now page and click create here. Right now, click get started. Right now, we will choose a page name. For example, for in app, click next. For example, the domain or the category, for example, technology, or I don't know, or education. I will choose education website. Click create. You will wait until it's creating. And now you have created your page. You have to describe your goals. For example, create and connect with phones. Click continue. You have to choose your profile picture in the cover. If you don't have right now, you have to skip it, like me. And also this, click next. And right now, this is your page on your Facebook. As you see, it's very easy to create a page. That's all. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.